All right, so now you have your pre-approval, you have your purchase and sales agreement signed, you're ready to get homeowners insurance and you're getting some quotes. One thing that we want to make sure everybody's aware of is that price isn't the only thing that determines your home insurance quote. The policies can differ greatly depending on what kind of coverages you have on that policy. One of the biggest coverages that I see not included on policies is replacement cost on contents. Now, a typical homeowner's insurance policy works like your car insurance. If you total your car, the insurance company is only going to give you what the car's worth today, the Blue Book value. They're not going to give you the amount that you paid for it when you originally got the car. The same thing goes on homeowners insurance for your stuff, your furniture, your clothing, appliances. In the event of a homeowner's claim and all that stuff goes up in flames, the adjuster is going to come out and he's going to put a dollar value on all of your items. He's going to say, you bought that refrigerator 10 years ago, it's now worth this, not what you originally paid for it. So without replacement costs on contents, your homeowner's policy isn't going to pay for the full amount of your stuff. For some people, this isn't a big issue. Maybe you got your stuff on Craigslist, or it was a hand-me-down from your older brother, or came out of your parents' basement. Then you probably don't need the coverage. But for a lot of folks, if you're buying brand new stuff in your new home, very important coverage to have. Probably $100, $200 a year difference, but you'll be a lot happier in the event of a claim.